Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLorean Tech and yet another Transformers X Back to the Future Gigawatt unboxing video. I know I've done a lot of unboxing videos.
Yes, you've only seen it 1,000 times. Why not go back?
I've already done one with the Hasbro Asia release, and the Hasbro Pulse release just came in today ahead of schedule, which is really cool. They were estimating sometime in January of 2021, but it's still November and it's here almost 2 months after the Hasbro Asia release. So this is definitely a plus. I just finished the KW suspension on the DeLorean, so this could not have come at a better time. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, check that out. Oh man. I ordered 2 of them. So the limit was 2 that you can order on the Hasbro Pulse website. So we've got 2 more gigawatts to add to the collection. Yeah, it's kind of a lot, but hey, you know, why not, right? So at first glance, these are identical to the Asia release. So here's the Asia release right here, and I'm not showing much of a difference, at least not yet. Pretty much identical, and they really have to be, because Hasbro has the worldwide rights to produce Transformers, except in Japan, just like I mentioned before. And at some point we'll be doing a Tomy Takara unboxing video. So the only difference here is this label right here on the Hasbro Asia release, which kind of talks about Hasbro Hong Kong Limited. You'll remember this from the original unboxing video. It looks like that's the only difference, is that sticker right there, and not much else. So same exact box art and everything on here. Yep, absolutely identical. So there you go. The US release is officially here, and it's identical. At least I'm looking at the figure right now, and I'm not showing much of a difference. So there you have it. Now we've got 3 of these guys. So I'll be doing another video once the Tomy Takara release comes out. So I'm not going to open these up. If you've seen my unboxing video, then you will already know what the figure looks like. So this is just a quick unboxing of the Hasbro Pulse release that was supposed to be out in January, but fortunately it has come out early, just in time for Christmas, and it was Black Friday yesterday, so it's perfect timing. So stay tuned for the Takara Tomy release. I have a Takara Tomy on order right now. That's supposed to be out sometime in February of 2021. So stay tuned for that. And once again, thanks for watching.
Yes, you've only seen it 1,000 times. Why not go back?